What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Audacity for your PC or laptop fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First, what you need to do, just open your browser and open this official site and you will see here download. Just click on it and save your installation. After that, open this hub and new window will launch. After installing this hub, you will see Audacity. Click here free. And you will see here download Audacity and you get Audacity desktop icon. After installing app like me, just open it and enjoy using Audacity on your PC or laptop fast and easy. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download and install Audacity for your PC fast and easy. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video.